Hello and welcome to the video. Now let me ask you a question. Have you ever purchased, received as a bonus, got for free a reseller pack from myself? Now I've been doing reseller packs for many years, so there's a good chance that you have. Now I want to tell you about a product that is absolutely vital to get if you've ever got one of my reseller packs. This product is a perfect fit. Now it's called 60-Minute Warrior. It launches on the 23rd of May and it will show you how to get that reseller pack that you may have received as a bonus, got it from one of my promotions, got it as a free gift, wherever. It will show you how to get that reseller pack online on Warrior Plus within 60 minutes. And the product is only $15. It's so cheap, and it's done by two really good friends of mine, John Thornhill and Dave Nicholson. Now I'm doing a very short promotion for this. It will start on the 23rd and it will close on the 25th. Now if you want access to this, I'd act very quickly. I've got an amazing bonus. That bonus includes 30 2022 reseller packs. So they're all new this year. I'm giving you those 30 bonuses, 30 reseller packs as a bonus when you purchase 60-Minute Warrior. Now, because the product is so cheap, this bonus that I'm giving you, it means you're paying 50 cents per reseller pack. So it's an amazing deal. Now remember, it starts on the 23rd and it closes on the 25th. So on the night of the 25th, as it's midnight, I'll be closing my bonus down. So you only have 3 days to lock this in. So thank you for watching, and watch out for my email on the 23rd of May.